Hello guys, in this video I'm going to showing you how I made the user purchase product purchase process. As you guys see, by now we can purchase it using Visa, put everything right here, and we can pay, as you guys can see right here. And yeah, now let's get into the coding. Our first stop in our script.js, as you guys can see, function pay now. You see, document get delivered by ID, quantity input, because the price gets increased because of the quantities. If price is X and the quantity is 2, 2X is the price. And yeah, if R state ready change 4, variable T, R response text, variable obj, JSON parse T. Except if T is 1, alert, please log in or sign up. Please log in or sign up, as you guys saw earlier. uh, T1 meaning we have not signed in, or there's no user currently signed in. Else if T2, please update your profile first. If you sign into a new account, you must update your profile first before doing anything. For it to say this, just log in the user profile.php, then cast into the user profile.php. Else pay here dot uncompleted. Uncompleted meaning if all these fields are filled in. Now if I click pay, it won't work. If I fill every single one of this, every single one of these fields only, will it be available to pay. Uncompleted order ID function console.log payment completed, order ID equals order ID. Save invoice, order ID, ID, mail, amount, and quantity. Next up, pay here dot on dismiss equals function on dismiss. This what this means, guys, is on completed, meaning if like I said earlier, if every single one of these fields are completed and the tick box has ticked them, indicated that they are indeed validated and true, only then will the function on completed order the ID and the console will log payment completed and save us to the invoice. And then we have another one, pay on dismiss. That means if we don't have any of those field on dismiss, meaning we don't have either 1, 2, or any of the field, it will say consider log payment dismissed. Otherwise it will say pay here on error function on error. As you guys see, console log error. And yeah, and as you guys know, we got this one, sandbox and testing. So we have logged the sandbox true. Merchant ID, replace your merchant, localhost, eShop, single product view, etc. Because it's in the single product view. As you guys see, we are in the single product view. As you guys see right here. And then order ID, items, amount, currency, first name, last name, email, phone. Everything is needed for the invoice, which I will be speaking to you in the next video. Pay here dot start payment. Next we have pay here dot start payment and payment. And yeah, that is how it happens. And that opens get buy now process dot php. If you guys see right here, let's go ahead and get the buy now process dot php real quick. If I can find it. Yeah, here we go. Buy now process dot php. Require connection dot php, as you guys see. User has address. Basically, all this coding gets what we need. It First of all, we need 4 things, which is the product details of the product that we are gonna buy, PD, and then we need the seller's details, SD, and then we need the cookie containing the card details, and then we need the invoice. What all this coding does, guys, is it searches our query one by one for the product details. First up, product details quantity. name, price, color, uh, delivery cost, everything. It searches from our query and then shows up in the relevant thing, the relevant area in our coding in our website. Next up, in the seller's details, we get his name, his address, second address line, email, how much he has sold recently. And yeah, next up we have the card details. In a cookie it says the card numbers, invoice, CC, and etc. guys. And yeah, it basically all this coding, it gets everything, and then it links it to our website through our coding, guys. You guys see item amount, mobile address, city, email, etc. And yeah, guys, that is how I program the buy now process, purchase product process. And yeah, see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy.